For my strategic action video, my healthcare marketing product or service that is currently on the market that I chose to present on is 3D printing in healthcare. A little background information on 3D bioprinting is its use to create live human cells and tissues which aid in regenerative medicine and tissue engineering. 3D printing is partnered with other 3D printing companies, the biopharmaceutical industry, research institutes, and universities for technology advancement and success of 3D printing. The history. In the year 1984, Charles Hole invents the first 3D printer while developing lamps for UV curable resins. In 2000, 3D printers are introduced into the medical field and are being practiced after the first lab-grown implant organ was created in 1999. In the year 2009, Organovo and Ivy Tech partnered together in order to develop the first 3D human tissue bioprinter. In order for these 3D models to print, the instructions are translated from design tools such as SketchUp, Autodesk, or SolidWorks. The inks to print can range from cell lining, collagen, gelatin, polyethylene glycol, or alginate. In the year 2009 is when the first blood vessels are printed, and with the advancement of technology today, 3D printing technology advances with the development of bones, ears, exoskeleton, windpipes, blood vessels, vascular networks, tissues, and simple organs. "3D bioprinting finances." Attached is the market size of global 3D bioprinting. These statistics range from the years 2016 to 2018. From the year 2021 to 2028, it is expected to expand at a compound annual growth, CAGR, at 15.8%. We can see that the magnetic levitation, inkjet-based 3D bioprinting, the laser-based 3D bioprinting, syringe-based 3D bioprinting, and others are all listed in these financial charts. Impact of 3D printing and healthcare trends. 3D printing has a huge impact on healthcare delivery. Since 2013, there has been a rise in patients needing new organs. When it comes to regenerative medicine, it can develop some organs for transplants. Like I mentioned before in my previous slide, simple organs have been developed using 3D bioprinting for transplant patients. With the ability to personalize the surgery or medicine to the patient, this would save a lot of resources as well as cost for the patients. Healthcare providers would be able to develop a delivery system that's specific for the patient's gender, body, age, and lifestyle. Adding this personalized health delivery is very efficient to the outcome. Because 3D printing allows for organs to be printed out, medical professionals can use this as a visualization of patient-specific organ anatomy for education and practicing. Before a major surgery, surgeons can practice different techniques or create a plan of pre-operation to decrease risk and improve outcomes. Not only does this decrease the surgery time and fewer complications, this helps form better treatment decisions. This goes along with enhanced surgical tools. Instruments such as forceps, hemostats, scalpel handles can all be personalized and produced through a 3D printer for better outcomes. With the current COVID-19 pandemic, 3D printers are being used to design and manufacture open source PPEs. Some challenges of 3D printing. Like any product or service, nothing is perfect and there are downfalls. 3D bioprinting faces challenges with risk of cancer, migration of implants, potential of being irreversible, short-term success with side effects, and devices are high risk to the patient. There is also the challenge of reimbursement. FDA-approved reimbursement includes joint implant or bone fixator. 3D models of the patient's anatomy and other fees are not covered for reimbursement. However, with 3D printing advancing, there has been an introduction of CPT codes. The future of 3D printing. With the advancement of technology and 3D bioprinting, this is very valuable to healthcare delivery. As of 2019, leading hospitals and labs are adopting 3D printing in their medical practices and procedures. Healthcare is constantly changing and evolving. With 3D printing's ability to create surgical tools, anatomical models, dental products, and patient custom-produced implants and instruments, this acts as key technologies which will drive the future and transformation of healthcare delivery.